Hope you can hear it. Very crispy. And please, if you don't have strong teeth, don't try this method of fried yam because you can get your teeth broken. Yalla! Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Chef Gabi GA channel. Today, we are going to learn how to make crispy, crunchy fried yam. And I'm going to show you the tricks and the science behind crispy fried yam. If you like this uniform, you know it's very beautiful, very colorful, and the outcome is so marvelous. And if you like it, their number is what is on your screen. This is nice uniform made by a Ghanaian here in Ghana. And they do uniform for front office staff, chefs' jackets, waiters and waitresses, housekeeping, in the hotel, any department in the hotel, they can design a nice outfit for you. Come, let's do together. Yalla!
Dear friend, the way you cut your yam will also make a difference in the crunchiness of your fried yam. So I will cut it into 3/4 of an inch slabs and then cut it again into 3/4 of an inch thickness. The length is about 3 inches. The technique we are going to use will make the yam very crunchy. So if it is not thick, then the yam will be hard or dry. But if you want your yam to be crunchy or very crunchy, then you can make it half an inch thickness. But we don't want, because I have kids at home and you know they can't eat very dry yam. That's why I'm making it thick so that the outside will be crunchy and the inside will be frothy. So it depends on you. If you want it very dry, if you know you can chew it. Dear friend, add salt to your water. And when you add it, it should be minimum 50 minutes before you fry your yam. This is because when you just drop in the water and fry it, the salt will not penetrate. And when you eat it, no matter the amount of salt you add in your water, you will not feel it. All crispy, crunchy fried yam have bitter taste, little bitter taste. If you want to get rid of the bitterness, just add small sugar to it to get rid of it. I'm not going to add it, but it is optional. Afraid to add more oil or use more oil because the yam is not going to make the oil dirty, and you can always use the oil for something else, for your stews or whatever you want to use it for. Dear friend, I drop in a piece of yam to check the hotness of the oil, and as soon as you see that it is frying vigorously, then you know that the oil is ready for the frying. So I will add the yams now, and if even it is too hot, don't worry. As soon as you drop in the yam pieces, it will drop the temperature of the oil. But don't forget to put your stove to medium heat, and the second stage we will use medium high. Dear friend, so this is the first stage of the double frying. Double frying is one, we are frying at the first stage, we will remove it from the oil and then we will do another frying. The reason is that all the bubbles that you see is the struggle between the water in the yam and the oil. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, and as I said, this oil is around 130 140 degrees Celsius. So the water is trying to escape from the oil. That's why you see the bubbles. So the water is trying to get out from the hot oil. Okay, so as this is going on, the cells in the yam are expanding, and as soon as you see that the outer part of the yam has swollen, we will take it out. So as it is expanding, the moist or the water in the yam are also escaping from the yam. And if you want to continue to fry the yam till all the water escapes and then crispiness takes place, it will take long time and you will never get the crispiness. So what you do is, once the cells are expanding, everything is escaping, then when we see physically the cells has expanded, the outer part is swollen, then we take it out. When we take it out, The evaporation will be taking place at the same time. All the moisture will be getting out from the yam. So the yam will be cooked. You can eat it, but it will be like a boiled yam, but not a fried yam. And we will put it outside for about 6-7 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on the quantity of the yam you are frying. Then you bring it back. So as soon as you bring it back, already most or all of the moisture has escaped and the cells has expanded. So as soon as you put it in the oil will easily penetrate in the middle of the yam, and the outside is already dry. So crispness will be taking place. It will be more crunchy. And I tell you, try this method and you will see that this is more efficient. This is more easy. It saves time and it saves energy. That is your gas. So this is very, very simple. And I tell you, if you don't have strong teeth, don't try this method, because your yam is going to be very crunchy. And so at this stage, I think I can show you yam that the outer is swollen. I can see it, but I know because of the camera you cannot see it well. So I will take another one that is very visible. Yes, this one is okay. So you can see the left part, you can see that part is swollen. You can see the other side also is swollen, meaning the evaporation is taking place. So you don't have to waste your oil to let the evaporation take place. Put it out whilst you're cooking the second batch. Nature is taking the vapor, the moist and everything out from the yam for you, and simple. So I'm going to drop in the second batch, and then when the second batch also get to this stage, I will take it out and drop in the third batch. By the time the third batch is blanched, the first one will be cold. You understand? So as soon as I drop in, hot oil is going inside, cooking it nicely, making it frothy, and the outside is getting crunchy. And I'm telling you, within 3 minutes, your yam will be crunchy. But if I want to continue to cook the first batch, by 5 minutes, it will not be. You see the way it is. By 5 minutes, still in the oil, it will not be crunchy. But you will see, when I finish the second and third one, I drop in, within 3 minutes, ready. Dear friend, so I'm waiting for the second batch to go through the same process. So it is already there. We will take it out whilst we are waiting for the first batch to be cooked, and I will drop in the third batch. Dear friend, the third batch is ready. I will quickly take it off and then wait for the oil to be hot again. Please, at this stage, don't just drop in as soon as you take it off. Wait for the oil to be hot around 170 degrees before you add the first batch, which is cold now and it is soft. And the way it is, if you drop it in within 3 minutes, it will be ready. At this stage, just put your stove on medium high, not very high, else your oil will be bringing out smoke, and it means your oil is burning. And drop in your yam, stir it continuously. At this, everything is fast, and I'm telling you, within 3 minutes, your yam will be ready and it will be crunchy and crispy. Almost 3 minutes now, and the yam looks sexy. This looks beautiful. I like it, and I hope you can hear the sound of the crispness. So beautiful. Wow, it is so nice. I love it. So see, can you hear it? Very crunchy. Beautiful.
The last batch is ready. Oh,
Beautiful.
it's beautiful.
Very crispy. And please, if you don't have strong teeth, don't try this method of fried yam, because you can get your teeth broken. So let me know where you are. If you are closer, just come and have a taste of this. So beautiful. Wow, I like this. So let me taste this and see the crunchiness of it. Beautiful. Dear friend, this yam is very delicious and very easy to make. It's a nice method, quick, efficient, it saves energy, it saves oil. Please, you do try it at home and I know you enjoy it. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, Chef Gabi GH. We upload new video every week. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.